Hi, I'm Celia from Dongji Intelligent. Today, I will introduce our core product, Spring Drop Refrigerated Vending Machine. Its spring track design ensures stable delivery for various packaged goods. No jamming, no damage. This eco-friendly R134A refrigeration system. Temperature ranges 0 to 8 degrees, keeping goods fresh 24/7. Support multiple payment methods, QR code, NFC cash, fast settlement in 3 seconds. Adapts to multiple sceneries and 24/7 unmanned operation. IoT remote management, real-time inventory tracking, sales analysis, and parameter adjustment. Modular design for easy maintenance. International protection 54 grade, safe and durable. More than 40 years of S4 experience, reliable quality for global partners. Dongji Intelligent, empowering global unmanned retail.